Hello everyone, as you can see, I'm adding to my Black Series helmet collection. It's definitely a growing collection here. I will leave a link to the playlist up here, so if you are interested in seeing some of the other Black Series helmets that I have, you can take a look at those. So what we're going to do is obviously take a closer look at the Mandalorian helmet from the Black Series. I've unboxed quite a few other Mandalorian helmets, but not the Mandalorian helmet. So I'm very curious to see how this helmet looks. And so what we're going to do first is we'll go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box here. And then we'll go ahead and take it out and take a look and see, you know, what kind of cool things this helmet brings for us. For me, myself, I just like to display the helmets. I'm not going to be wearing it around the house or anything like that. Anyways, so that's what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Mandalorian helmet here. If you have any questions while we're doing that, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, so it is the Mandalorian, as you can see there. It's an electronic helmet. You got a picture of the Mandalorian there. On the side, on the back here, you can see that apparently it does light up. It's got a removable tactical light, and then it's got interior welcome light effects as well. And it's realistically detailed, screen-inspired reproduction of the iconic Mandalorian helmet. And then on this side, we just have another look at the helmet here with the tactical light, as they're calling it. On the top, that's what we've got here. And maybe we'll just go ahead and do it like this, since we'll try this camera angle. I'm always looking for different camera angles as far as what works best when unboxing this. The helmets, sometimes I'll do a little bit behind me, but I don't know, that doesn't always work. Looks like I left off one piece there. All right, so hopefully you guys can see what we've got here. We've got a piece of cardboard, don't need that. Another piece of cardboard. Then we've got the ring of cardboard there. Ooh, that's shiny. All right, I'll do my best not to get fingerprints on it, but I typically do. So go ahead and take this from the top. Like I said, I'm always looking for new ways to take these helmets out. There we go. And then up here we've got, looks like the instructions. What else is in there? And then probably the tactical light as well. So, all right, I'll be right back. I'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up and we'll start from there. All right, so here's our helmet. Got some fingerprints on it. Definitely gonna wanna wipe this down. I like how shiny it is though. That's awesome. All right, we'll put that over there. There's our tactical light. That does look kind of cheap though. I wish they would have made the black, maybe like a matte black or something like that. All right, so this is just a bunch of warnings and whatnot, so we don't need that. Copyright stuff, don't need that. And then we have the actual instructions here. Looks like the one AA battery is going to go on the side there. And that's really it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. All right. So I've got a screwdriver. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see if we can get this off. Definitely going to get some fingerprints all over this thing. There you go. So it looks like pulling from the bottom is the best way to do that. And what we're going to do now is, let's see, hopefully this is a good screwdriver for this. There we go. Probably should have gotten a different one. Anyways, it's coming out, so that's good. That's all that matters there. It's very close. If you've got any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. We've got our Amazon Basics battery here. We'll just go ahead and put that in there, and I'm definitely going to get fingerprints all over this guy. And just get this light, this screw right back in. Almost there. All right. And then this guy goes like that. All right. Anyways, so that's all on. Take a look. It's all lighting up, as you can see right there. Inside, hopefully you can see that. Maybe we can get some more light in there. Yeah, there we go. Inside, we've got some, you know, pretty much what we're used to for the Mandalorian style. We've got the helmet, the straps there, which, you know, for myself, I'm gonna have to go all the way. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. And then we've got this guy. So to put this on, grasp it firmly. Okay, that came off, good. And then just line that up. So I definitely, I feel more comfortable taking these things off ever since I worked on the prototype helmet. I spray painted it, customized it, and did exactly what I wanted there. So, all right. So let's see how to get the light to work here. Okay, so it looks like the power button is underneath. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. It's pretty bright. Obviously, it's not bright for you there. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn off the lights and see what we can do with that. So holding it down maybe? Yeah. Hold it down again and it turns off. Good. Oh, that's working pretty well. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights here. I'll be right back and we can see how bright the light actually is. All right. I wasn't able to turn off all the lights. It is kind of bright out outside, so that's why we're not able to do that. But we'll go ahead and turn this light on again. And I mean, you know, it's not going to stop an intruder or anything like that, but I mean, I could see this working. I mean, it's like at night, you'd probably be able to see out of it. If we take a look at the inside, that's what you'd be seeing. Hopefully that worked. I don't know. I'm trying out something new there. Yeah, I mean, it's a good looking helmet. I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like up on the shelf or on the wall. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. For this guy, it's probably going to go with some of the other Mandalorian helmets actually, so that'll go on the top shelf with all the other Mandalorian helmets. Currently I have, what, 3 of them. This will be number 4, and then the Night Watch one is going to be coming later this year as well. So yeah, I mean, I like the helmet. I don't know if I'm going to try it on. I think it's interesting it came with both this and the light itself. I'm not sure which one I like better. I'll probably leave the light on just because it'll stand out from the other Mandalorian helmets. I definitely like the shininess that we've got on this helmet. It's super cool like that. I'll leave a link in the description, so places that you can purchase it from. I don't know if you'll still be able to get it. I pre-ordered this, and I was like one of the last ones to get it, I swear. I was able to, I mean, everybody was posting videos and pictures online. I was definitely not the first. So anyways, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I really like the video. I mean, sorry, the helmet, I should say. I like the video too. It's a good looking helmet. Maybe I'll go ahead and try this on. Be right back. All right, so I just tried the helmet on. It feels good. If you've got a longer nose, it may not fit well. Luckily, I do not, so it actually fits me really well. I didn't actually have to adjust the straps at all on the inside, which was very surprising. So the helmet feels good for me, but I don't know if it will for all adults. For kids, it's not going to be a problem, although this is, at the price point, it's definitely not a kid's toy. Speaking of kids' toys, one of the things I like about this is that it did not have a voice changer. So many times the voice changers just don't sound good. So I'm glad that the gimmick there was not here. You know, we've got the light, however, which is kind of gimmicky, but at the same time, I don't mind it. I think it looks pretty cool. I'll probably find a way to hardwire this. That way it's not going to be drawing a battery. But yeah, so I'm happy with this helmet. It's going to look good with a lot of the other helmets that I have, which I'll probably include a picture right here. So anyways, if you have any questions, ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars the Black Series related, but we also do other things that a professional geek might find interesting. And me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and hopefully will be of interest to you as well. And with that, have a great day.